Hello, you guys. It's Lindsay Soloff. I have never been more excited to receive something in the mail before than this UniWigs full lace human hair topper. But it's not just a topper like I've shown you in the past. This is a hairline topper, and it is exactly what I needed. It just goes right on top and gives you some fringe, gives you some volume. I'm going to show you some different ways to style it, how to blend it, and a couple little tips along the way as well. So just to show you what you can do, you just put it on. It's got the silicone on the sides for extra grip. It's very realistic. It's got the halo wire here that you can tighten and loosen. And then it's pre-plucked. So that means that on the top, when you look at it, it's gonna look very real. You'll be able to see the scalp and see how it just blends in there. Like, it matches my hair pretty perfectly. I'm just gonna comb it in so that it really all blends together. Now, like I said, this is real human hair, so that means you can wash it, you can style it with a heating tool, straightener, curler. You'll see here, I'm gonna try some different styles. The details of this specific one that I'm wearing, it's called the Evelyn. It's the Ultra-Breathable Full Lace Human Hairline Topper with layers. This is the color 626R Vanilla Butter Blonde, and it's in the length 10 inches, and density of this is 110%, in case you're wondering. And it's really cool because if you get the urge to get bangs, so many people regret it, but now you can just kind of clip it in and it looks so real. I am not kidding when I tell you I have had so many compliments over the last few days that I've been wearing this. Nobody knows that it's a topper. I think they just assume that maybe I've cut my hair different or styled it different, but yeah, I have been getting so many compliments, and I swear to you, it makes me feel so much more confident. Like, I don't even want to ever have a day in my life without wearing this again. It's that good. I'm just gonna try it back in a ponytail here. This seems to be my favorite way to wear it just because I can kind of blend it all in even better and then have my bangs down in the front as well and keep it out of my face. I have been wearing this for a few days now and not one person suspects anything. Even my husband, even my kids were like, when I took it off, they said, "What? That's not your hair?" And they were shocked. Here is my trick of how I keep it in place all day long without worrying about wind or anything like that. I use a little bit of this spirit gum. It's an adhesive. If you don't have access to spirit gum, you can also use that got to be glued yellow tin hairspray. So you brush it on. It's just like a glue basically, and then you wait about 10-15 seconds, touch it until it's tacky, and then you just lift it up and place it on top. Hold it for a few more seconds, and then it is there until you want to take it off. And then when it is time to take it off later, it's really easy. You just kind of poke your finger underneath and peel it off, and it's not hard, it doesn't hurt, and the spirit gum comes off quite easily. I swear it stays. It's not going anywhere. So I put this on, and then lately I've been wearing it in a ponytail, but I've worn it in all the ways now. I think each day I'd choose something new, and I would absolutely recommend this 100%.